Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to Xfinity. First, power on your Xfinity gateway and confirm it is broadcasting a stable Wi-Fi signal. For the best gaming experience, connect an Ethernet cable directly from your PS5 to one of the available LAN ports on your Xfinity gateway. If you prefer Wi-Fi, position your PS5 within 20 feet of the router, minimizing physical obstructions like thick walls. This initial physical setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now let's configure your PlayStation 5. From the home screen, access the settings menu, represented by the gear icon. Scroll down and select Network, then navigate to Settings and choose Set up Internet Connection. Here, you will decide whether to use Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable. If using Wi-Fi, select Easy to automatically scan for available networks. This step guides your console toward recognizing your Xfinity service. If you are connecting via Wi-Fi, select your Xfinity network name from the displayed list. This name is usually found on a sticker on your Xfinity gateway. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Remember, it is case-sensitive, and a single incorrect character will prevent connection. If you encounter issues, momentarily restarting your Xfinity gateway can resolve minor network glitches. A stable, secure connection is vital for uninterrupted gaming sessions. Once you have completed the setup, select Test Internet Connection to verify everything is working correctly. This test will confirm your IP address, internet connection, and PlayStation Network sign-in status. For enhanced performance, try placing your Xfinity gateway in an open, central area of your home, at least 3 feet off the ground, to improve signal distribution. A robust connection ensures smooth gameplay and consistent downloads on your PlayStation 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.